Yes, good day. So as promised, I would continue with the review of the Scor models presented to me. We had a discussion last evening on different Scor models, and I'm going to continue with Apple. All right. So I'm not clear on the problem identified here, but this was done by Lashmi. Right. So Apple. As you know, with the Scor model, you have plan, source, make, return, and enable. All right. So planning here involved, forecasting, inventory, I guess inventory management. That might relate to, how you manage your inventory, whether it be push or pull systems, or implementing a warehouse management system, or having your vendors hold your inventory through vendor managed inventory. Regulatory compliance, for Apple and for all those similar type companies, they must comply with certain regulations, whether it be legal or environmental. Source, sourcing, procuring, identifying suppliers. Yes, identifying new suppliers. Establishing supplier agreements, new agreements, payment of suppliers. All that involves sourcing. Managing multiple suppliers. I can add to it building supplier relationships, that can fall in there. Make reminds us of manufacturing. Make to stock. You have make to order, but you also have make to stock, which is a push system. Yes. You all might agree that Apple also at some point, maybe way upstream, they may also do make to order, right, which is a more of a pull mechanism. Managing production, managing equipment, and packaging. Return, return, you may have a return policy. For example, treating with defects. You have that here, defective products, manage return inventory, minimize cost of return. That's true. Good one. Reuse and add detective devices. Reuse old. Yes, very good. That the return element of a Scor model brings an opportunity for or reminds us of the opportunity for sustainability, right? To recycle, all right? To promote the whole idea of a circular economy, and we can go on and on. Enable is really all about, managing the entire process, managing your supply chain. Look at that risk management, managing the process through key performance indicators. All right, you can also benchmark as well, right? That's what enable should include. You have here receiving orders from customers, manage of finished inventory. So the points I mentioned, maybe you could have, include. You might want to include those, right? Then you have the company show me. Not sure of the. I'm not sure of the problem. But I'm seeing here, plan, new product, new market shares, affordable prices, warehousing, inventory. Yes, all those things we can plan. Source, suppliers, shipment or shipping, distribution might be part of it. The way you source, where you acquire your raw materials. Make, what you make smartphones. Make reminds us of manufacturing. What are the line of items you manufacture? Maybe you can add some other things there. Manufacturing might be done in-house. It might be outsourced. There are many other things we can talk about in terms of manufacturing. We can use automation, Jidoka. Deliver. Worldwide online, yes. Technology parts, customer service. So deliver here, you can include the distribution of the item, or you mentioned online. So online purchases, and what else you can have under deliver? Well, that basically sums it up, at least for now. I think you missed return. All right. And enable, quality standards. You can review that. You could also monitor innovation, ensuring that the company remains innovative. All right, and you can benchmark as you go along. Yosef did Nexons. Okay, plan, source, make, deliver, return. So plan renewable energy. All right, I'm not too sure what this company does. Okay, planning ahead to promote renewable energy. Maybe that's what you're getting at. Source, French technology. All right. Benchmarking, not too clear about that one. Aluminium and copper suppliers. Yes, so source will relate to suppliers, who you buy from, how you manage relationships with suppliers, that type of thing. Make, okay, you make to order, and you're stating here what you make. All right, make to order. Deliver. Okay, I'm seeing you, US and Brazil. Parcel parts, you're saying what you deliver. Return, turbine maintenance contract, 6 Sigma. Not too sure how 6 Sigma will fit in there. All right, I move on. All right, so this was RMX. All right, plan, best supply chain network, right? So you want to acquire the best supply chain network. Choose target market, fair enough. Source, finalize required structure. Integrate with service providers, yes. Okay, make fully integrated system and process, or maybe fully automated system to manufacture. Well, actually, no, this is not manufacturing. Okay, I understand. Okay, RMX, I don't remember what they are into. So fully integrated system and process, okay. So make here will relate to the whole, yes, you're right, the whole process of getting the mails out. Or the whole process of getting the cargo out. Deliver worldwide, right, by dividing regions geographically. Enable, maintaining high quality. Yeah, maintaining high quality process and checking for errors. Yes, okay. Coca-Cola, again, right? So Coca-Cola, plan, source, make, deliver, return, enable. Right, this was Indica. So plan, market research, important, yes. Planning your manpower, your resources. So planning your supply chain activity, okay. That might relate to where you plan on sourcing goods and services. Source, inventory. All right. Raw materials, you're sourcing raw materials, you're sourcing inventory. How you plan to source, what strategy you plan to use when you're sourcing. You can consider that. Make, quality equipment, fulfill customer demand, meeting schedules, packaging. All right, good. Deliver, store, logistics, transportation. All right, return, recycling. Yes, there's an opportunity for that. Reverse logistics, that should be expired and damaged items. There must be a policy or a mechanism to return them. Enable, we keep saying enable is about compliance, monitoring, KPIs. Very good. Spot on, spot on. Okay, Delta Corporation. Again, plan, source, make, deliver, return, enable. Plan, putting operations team in place. Target market share, that's part of your plan. Maybe there's a plan to improve the ERP system or to acquire one. All right. Source, sourcing raw materials. Okay, we want sourcing expertise from experts. Not sure how that would apply. Benchmarking, I can't relate to that either. Make beverages. All right, yes. Make byproducts. All right. Just in time, yes. So just in time tells us how we manufacture. We manufacture. It's a pull-based concept or system. Deliver, transportation, warehousing, distribution, and points and hubs. Return, again, a policy to return expired goods. Yes. Return rejected goods as well. A policy should be in place for that. Enable, risk management, KPIs, benchmarking. You have enable corporate social responsibility. All right. Okay, fair enough. That could be part of your plan as well. Then we have the company Lego plan, Okay, maybe a plan, maybe, yeah, demand, innovation, cost savings, expectations, market finance, benchmarking. Okay, maybe there's a plan to benchmark the organization against another. The problem is, well, not so much the problem, but the goal is to reduce more production and cost savings. Okay. Okay. Source from China, Asia. Acquire alternative sources. Good. Vendor selection will be part of that. Make multiple molds. Less raw materials, packaging, labeling, delivery. Retail shop outlets. Drivers doing deliveries, online portal. Return non-moving items. Damaged goods. Wrong delivered items. Enable contract agreement. Okay, warehouse return and commitments from partners. Okay. All right, Zara. There's some work there with Zara. I'm not sure I don't think it was completed, but plan, facilities management. Okay, skills. Suppliers, procurement. Maybe some further explanation would have been needed. Source, yes, location. All right, I agree with that. Make, okay, how you make it, the design, what type of design you might acquire. Delivery, yes, well, you can, delivery just in time might be on a make. All right. So move on again. Adidas, yes. Right, again, goals in mind, plan that out, finance. Source, sourcing infrastructure, not clear on that though, but sourcing related to suppliers and raw materials and who you buy the raw materials from. Make might relate to how you manufacture, what system are you using, are you using robotics? Deliver, well, finished products, transportation, warehousing, right? What is the mechanism involved in delivering? What mode of transport you might use? Maybe that can be included as well. Return, okay, reverse logistics. Or a policy to return things, repair or remake, fair enough. And enable, I see monitor, I see business rules, I see risk management. That's good. And then we get to see, running short of time. Let me see if I can do this in 3 minutes. All right, I don't have much time on the recorder. So this here is I'm not sure what the company is. Okay, Dell. Okay, plan, demand planning, yes. Source, vendor manage inventory, yes, that can be part of it. Make, just in time could apply there. Deliver, you can have third-party logistics doing the delivery for you. That's true. Return, some warranty system or return policy. All right. Tesla plan. Okay, R&D, testing and software. I can relate to this. Source. Okay, sourcing batteries and so on. Make, tooling. Okay, quality control. Yes, that's part of making. Automation is part of it too. And deliver, sales events, online, retail, return, recycle of batteries. Okay, last one, 30 seconds. Okay, plan, source, make, deliver. I don't think I have time for the last one. All right, so I'll probably do the last one after. Thank you very much.